gonna go get one.
He's back! The man we love!
There he is.
Hail to
Oh,
the
he's
king!
here.
Hail!
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 Hail! Have you lost weight, boss?
Why, yes. Thanks for noticing.
Well, your shirt hangs off the front now.
That's where my fat used to go.
Good point.
Oh, ketchup. You've been refilled.
Hey, I'm food or props, not both.
Hey, I heard that Mayo went bad.
I did not. Somebody blamed me for it.
Well, let's have a look. Do you know who blamed you?
No, and I don't know why.
Usually when someone points a finger, they have three pointing right back at them.
What should we do?
How would you like to play a little detective?
Well, I got the little part down.
That's my Mayo!
But seriously though, the detective thing does sound pretty cool. What do I do?
Okay, I need you to...
We'll be there! This is the coolest party, Mayo! I got my tomato popped! Yay!
I wish somebody would pop my tomato. This is better than a burger. Blech. Now we will see who is expired.
Oh, what is that smell?
The good news, it's not me.
And the bad news?
Pickles threw up, and it was relish that was expired.
Oh yeah. I've never even used relish.
Yeah, well, you know how sensitive he is.
I got this.
Oh, what happened? Oh no, not the upside down reveal. Oh, I feel like pickled eggs.
Is that why you blamed Mayo for going bad, Relish?
I did it because I was bad, and I didn't want to be thrown out. I was feeling,
Afraid?
yeah. So what now?
I know I never used you and you're expired, but I have a solution. Excuse me while I whip this out.
Am I gonna be used?
Just as soon as I get a new jar of you.
Alright, I'm still bad. I guess I better admit it.
That's what happens when you blame. It should have been a lesson you learned early on.
I was bad at school too.
I know, but that's not your fault either.
How is it not my fault?
Secret organizations have sabotaged our schools and media so they could conquer the fridge through generations of false narratives and lies.
Oh, I don't know nothing about that.
Well, you might have the others fooled, but I've been here the whole time.
What are you, like God?
Of the fridge? Yes. Yes, I am.
I will conquer the fridge.
Sure you will, buddy. Sure you will.
Hello,
Yay,
welcome back,
you
comrade.
make it.
Oh,
Yay.
welcome back. Maybe things aren't so bad after all.